Hello viewers, welcome to watchsunday.pk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review a pair watch for couple. It's a pair watch for couple, one for male and one for female. It's a Casio stainless steel watch, analog watch with a Roman dial and date and day option on the dial. The one in my hand is the male version, and this is the female version. The design is same. It's the same model. The only difference is, of course, the build of the watch. The ladies' watch dial is small as compared to the men's. As you can see, the difference in the dial. The gents dial is almost double as the ladies' one. And also the chain, the thickness of the chain. This is the gents, this is ladies. The thickness is also different. And this is the back side of the buckle. It's a pretty attractive watch, especially if you want to give to someone on anniversary or birthday. And this is a close-up of the dial. It's a Roman dial with a water resistance Japan movement. And with this middle knob you can adjust the date and day, Tuesday, Wednesday, and also the date option. And also you can adjust the time easily with this middle knob. And this is a female one, pretty attractive. And also with this middle knob you can change the day and also the date. The ladies version is LTP-V006D-7B and the male one is MTP-V006D-7B. So it's the same model. For the ladies it's LTP, for the gents it's MTP. So the LTP stands for ladies timepiece and the MTP stands for male timepiece. So let's check the weight of these watches, the ladies watch and the gents watch. So let's check the weight of the ladies watch first. It's around 52.3. Now let's check the weight of the gents watch. It's 95 gram is the weight of the gents watch. So let's try the male version on the hand first. As you can see, it looks pretty attractive on the wrist. And also you can adjust the chain as per your wrist. So viewers, you can order this watch, this pair watch for couple from our online store watchsunday.pk. Cash on delivery is available within Pakistan. And also you can order this watch by sending us a message on our WhatsApp number 0310-2233-484. And viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notification of the video reviews of Casio and other brand watches. And if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching.